Woo! Renaissance people, we are back. Yes, we're back. And this time we're going to do something a little bit different. A lot of people have been telling me I should do a cooking segment because on my Instagram, I post a lot of my food and it gets a lot of good feedback. And people are like, oh my God, you should cook for me. You should make an Instagram cooking page. You should make an Instagram YouTube. You should come cook for me. Blah, blah, blah. I'm not doing that. I'm going to teach y'all how to cook so y'all can leave me alone. All right? So, we're going to go to the grocery store right now. We're going to pick up everything we need. We're making a banging mac and cheese today. My special recipe. We're going to call this the wife me mac and cheese. Yeah, we're going to call this the wife me mac and cheese. Essentially, when you make this mac and cheese, for that special someone, this is going to make them see something special in you. And wife me. Make it for your boyfriends, girlfriends, husbands, wives, kids. Make it for your family, whoever you make this for. It's going to see something special in you and realize you're worth holding on to. It's that good. So this mac and cheese recipe is going to be a budget video. That is how I live my life, on a budget. So we are not buying all that fancy cheeses, brands, whatever. We're not doing it. We're just getting everything that tastes good that we're gonna need, and we're gonna keep it as simple as possible but delicious. So we're gonna head to the store and get everything we need. I'm gonna put a list on here for y'all to see everything I'm getting so y'all know what to get. Let's do this. We're going straight to the grocery section, not wasting no time. Straight to the grocery section. Get it out. Alright people, we got everything we need for the mac and cheese. I'm gonna just go shop around, get a few things for the house, and we headed back to the house. We're gonna make this up. Alright Renaissance people, we are back in the kitchen and we're about to start making this banging wife me mac and cheese. That's what I'm calling it, wife me mac and cheese. Alright, I got this oven preheated to 400 and we're just gonna get started. I got everything we bought came up to about a total of $22. That's not too bad if you think about it, because this will probably yield about maybe about 6-7 servings. So yeah, that's not too bad. So yeah, this is what we got right here. Alright, so here we got the heavy cream. We got 3 types of cheeses. We're doing the Monterey Jack, triple cheddar, and the mozzarella to give it that real stringy feel. We got some parsley. I had some parsley in the fridge, so I didn't even need that. But we got cream cheese, that was cheap. Olive oil, that was cheap. Garlic, cheap. We got 2 pounds. I couldn't find the 1 pound. All we're gonna need for this recipe is 1 pound of mac and cheese. Well, macaroni, elbow macaroni, I'm sorry. We're gonna need an egg, some garlic powder, some salt, some paprika, and some onion powder. Alright, so I'm gonna start off and fill this pot up about halfway with water. So we're gonna add just a little bit of salt. And we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Here's the rest of that olive oil. That was the old olive oil. I got a new olive oil right here. Alright, so we're gonna put this on high heat and let it come to a boil as fast as possible. By the time it comes to a boil, it gives me enough time to prep everything else. Alright, so first we're gonna put this pan here on that front eye, about a medium heat. we're gonna come over here to the butter. We're gonna get about 2 tablespoons of butter. Butter nice and melted right now. Give it a nice whisk. It gets nice and melted. We're gonna pour probably about that much heavy cream in there, and that's just gonna start our base. I'm not good with measurements, so don't even worry about those measurements. Just follow along as much as possible. This is not measurement specific. We just kind of add as we go. This might be too much, honestly, but we'll just leave it alone for another time. So we'll let that start simmering. Alright, so while that's coming to a simmer, I'm gonna just add in a little bit of garlic powder. A couple pinches of salt. We have to add more later on. A little bit of cracked pepper. A little bit of cayenne pepper. Not too much because this is hot. We'll add some onion powder. Paprika. A little pinch of parsley. Whisk it up. Now that this water's come to a boil, I'm just gonna break open my macaroni right here, and we're gonna add. I'm gonna try to add about half of it. So we're gonna mix it fast before it has a chance to stick. Let that boil for a good, whatever it says on the box, that's probably gonna be about 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, now that that's done, we're gonna open up our cream cheese. We're only gonna use about half of this, so. About half of this. And our mixture over here, our base is actually at a nice simmer, so we're just gonna take this out. And we're gonna take it over here, put it back on the heat. Nice whisk, make sure it's still mixing. We're just gonna break this up nicely. Alright, so once you break up all that cream cheese in there, you're just going to keep whisking. Just whisk and whisk and whisk until you don't feel anything solid in there. You don't want to feel anything solid. Once you feel something solid, that means there's still a clump in there. You want this to be nice and smooth before you add your other cheeses in there.
2 forks, 2 pots, I can whip it both-handed.
Alright, so now we got that. We're going to turn this knob on down to low. And we're going to let that simmer while we add the other cheeses in. Alright, so as this simmers, we'll start adding our cheese. So first I'm going to add the triple cheddar cheese. Now on this, just note that you can never add too much cheese. I'm adding a lot of cheese in this. So we're going to put that in there, and we're going to whisk. Alright, so the pasta's about done. So we're just gonna take it off the heat. Don't burn yourself, please. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of olive oil just to prevent it from sticking. Just drizzle a little bit on there. Quick mix. We're gonna set that aside because our mixture over here is ready as well. See that nice consistency, nice drip. Alright, so right here I got an 8x8 glass Pyrex pan, and I'm gonna just spray this with a little bit of Pam just to keep that wifey mac and cheese from sticking. Alright, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of the pasta right now, because I don't want to overdo it. This is just almost perfect amount right here. Actually, it is the perfect amount. Alright, so we're gonna add that in. We're gonna come over here. And we're going to slowly, and I do mean slowly add in our cheese sauce. Add a little bit. Come right here and mix. Alright, so now we're just going to take an egg, crack it, and just throw it in there like that. And the egg's only going to pretty much bring everything together, kind of like, almost like a quiche. So we're just going to break that yolk and slowly work it in. Now, we got that egg all mixed in, we're going to add more cheese. A little bit more of each cheese. Alright, so now I got it all mixed in, so I'm gonna just flatten it out and prep it for my layers and layers of cheese. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna start off with a mozzarella. I'm just gonna start layering it on there. So now we're going to sprinkle a little bit of paprika over the top just to give it a nice color. Just going to give it a nice little rustic look. Alright, so now I'm just going to take about a little teaspoon of butter. We're just going to section this off into nice little pieces like this, little flat pieces, as flat as you can get them. Now, we're just going to take this and cover it up with some foil. Alright, so now we've been cooking for about 30 minutes, and we're going to pull it out a little bit and take this foil off. We're going to turn the oven up higher and just let it broil and get that nice crust on it. Alright, look at that. See that crust is crisping up and it's looking beautiful. I think it's time to come out. Renaissance people, so the wife me mac and cheese is done. We're just gonna let it cool for about 5-10 minutes, and then we're gonna dig in. Stay tuned. Alright, so we digging in. I told you we not them other YouTubers that don't eat their food that they make. We digging right in. That's good. I'm telling you, whoever you make this for, you gonna need a restraining order to get rid of them. Alright, Renaissance people, so I just want to thank y'all for watching. Make this dish for your friends, for your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or whoever. Get that restraining order once you try to get rid of them, and just keep on learning. I'm out.